Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Revati. I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle, and I also upload weekly vlogs every week, obviously, and also you'll get to see a lot of vlogs on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go subscribe to my channel now. And for the first time, I'm doing some sort of series on my channel, and I'm doing Vlogmas. So this is another episode or another video from the Vlogmas, whole thing. So I hope you have been enjoying my Vlogmas videos, and I hope you are binge watching all of them. And if you aren't, then go and watch my Vlogmas videos right now. So this is another Vlogmas video, as obvious as it could be. So since Christmas and New Year is around the corner, I thought of recommending you guys some New Year outfits. And also this video is kind of gonna be, urbanic haul, actually completely it's gonna be an urbanic haul only. So if you're interested in finding out where you can get, party outfits of all types, then keep watching. And without any further ado, let's just get right away into the video. So guys, I cannot even believe it that the fact that 2022 has arrived and that this year is almost over. This year literally, flew by. I literally feel कि मतलब बस ऐसे ही खत्म हो गया कि पल के झपकते ही खत्म हो गया ये साल. ऐसा लिटरली फील होता है ये साल को लेके, बिकॉज सच में काफी जल्दी खत्म हो गया. तो एनीवेज न्यू ईयर आ रहा है तो हमें ड्रेसेस चाहिए. आई मीन एवरीबडी, आई एम श्योर अभी कोविड से थोड़ा सा अभी खत्म तो नहीं हुआ है, बट एटलीस्ट नॉर्मल तो हो गया है ऑलमोस्ट. तो आई एम श्योर यू गाइज माइट attend New Year's party or might attend Christmas party, and that's why this video. So I have bought all the dresses from Urbanic, and all the sizes and all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be given in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. So, and let me tell you, before you watch the video, let me tell you, I want to fall in love with literally all the dresses because they are just mind-boggling. They're amazing. I mean, every time I wore them, I was in love with the whole outfit and was just completely in love and awe of the outfit. So yeah, let's begin with the first outfit. So the first outfit is a pink fuchsia dress, and as you can tell, it's a pretty basic skater dress, and it has got a deep V neckline, not V but a plunging neckline, and you guys know how much I love those kind of necklines. And the fit is amazing, and I just love how it looks. It's like a pink plain dress, but if you accessorize it well and wear amazing jewelry with it and wear your gorgeous heels, then it will be appropriate for your like New Year and Christmas as well. This is the kind of dress is for those girlies who like to keep it simple. This is a simple yet elegant outfit or dress. I love this dress, and you guys know how much I love my reds and pinks and blues. So yeah, I had to include this one in this haul or video. As soon as I saw it, I was just like in love with it, and I'm gonna say it for the rest of the outfits because that is exactly how I feel about all the outfits, and the quality is amazing. एक बात बोलो, Urbanic से मैंने जितने भी आज तक कपड़े लिए, I've never been disappointed, and I love Urbanic. I really love Urbanic. I wish I was that rich that I could like literally buy all the pieces that are available on Urbanic, because that's how much I love Urbanic. Urbanic's collection is just best, especially for our generation. अपने generation के clothing pieces तो काफी अच्छे मिलते हैं, so I'm really happy, and jewelry भी काफी सही मिलती है. Now बहुत बात कर ली first outfit की और बहुत तारीफ कर ली Urbanic की, so let's move on to the second outfit. Now as we speak of the second outfit, you guys know I love reds, as I've already mentioned, my pinks, my reds and my blues, so I had to include a red dress as well. But as you look at the dress, it is like perfect and it's appropriate for a New Year or even a Christmas party, because look at the detailing. It has sequin detailing, not sequin but the glittery detailing it has on it, and the fact that it is full sleeve, I just love it. I love the sweetheart neckline of it. It has got a zip at the back, so it fits you perfectly. It fits my body and hugs my body exactly in the way it should. It's a skater dress and I just love it. The material is good, everything is good about this dress, and you just have to apply a red lipstick as I have done and you're good to go, and just wear something gold. I've worn a golden jewelry, like golden earrings, to match it up with the dress, because you know the dress has that golden detailing all over it. So to match up that, I wore this not jhumkis, why am I saying jhumkis, but these golden dangling earrings, statement earrings. So I love it. I love this whole outfit, and you guys know red, I mean the fact that it's red has just been the most important thing. So how could I not love this dress, right? But either ways also guys, red nahi hota to bhi dress काफी सुंदर है. So yeah, now let's go to the third dress. Third dress, as I speak of pinks and reds and blues, how can I not come up with a blue? So let's talk about this gorgeous gown, blue gorgeous gown dress, and it's got a sexy slit at the side. It's completely backless, and the front itself has so much of, you know, thing going on, and it's completely plain. Moreover, you guys will say कि ये तो बिल्कुल भी ऐसा, you know, New Year, Christmas vibe नहीं देता. It's like a beach outfit, but no. If you style it in, you like wear your heavy heels like stilettos, pumps, and you wear some, you know, diamond jewelry or something like that with this dress, then it'll definitely make up for an event. It is that gorgeous. The material is amazing. It hugs my body and fits my body, and oh my god, I wish I was thin so that it looked more better, because now that I'm curvy, I just look like a potato in it. But anyways, I love the blue dress as well, and it's a long dress, a maxi dress, and it's just sexy, and yeah, I just love it. I felt so confident wearing it. I mean, not the stomach part, because पेटू दिखता है ना फिर उसमें, but otherwise, you know, the way it hugged my body, I just loved the blue dress. And yeah, if you could even wear it obviously to the beach, and if you're going to a beach vacay or something like that, then you should definitely check out this dress as well. So yeah, I love the dress, and for the money and all, it's just perfect, and the color is good, everything is good, and I love the whole, you know, neckline situation and backline situation, I mean backless situation. So yay. Now let's talk about another dress. Now, if you're someone who's totally girly, or you want to wear something girly, something feminine and something cute, then this next blue organza dress is just for you. And oh my god, as soon as I saw it in front of me, as soon as I wore it, I was like, I felt like a candy. I literally felt like a candy. I mean, it is a bit of expensive, 1800 or 1900, something like that, but it's totally worth the money. It is well stitched, well made, the fabric is good. It's just amazing. I love the dress. I really love the dress. You'll see these kind of dresses available on American websites for like 13,000, 15,000, 20,000, for that much. So on Urbanic we're getting it for a cheaper price, and it's pretty. It looks so cute. But let me tell you, if you plan on buying, then there's one thing you should know. It's really very short. कि ये मेरे bum के यहाँ तक ही आता है वो dress. I mean, पता नहीं try on में you can tell or not, but it comes literally मेरे bum के नीचे तक ही. काफी short है, काफी short. मतलब even if you wear your shorts or tights, they'll be visible. So you just have to wear something, I don't know, wear your boxers or something like that, that will not be visible, and you'll feel comfortable. But yeah, if you bend, your undies will literally be visible. That is how short this dress is. Other than that, everything is good. I just wish the length, but the pattern itself is like that, so I don't expect the length to be bigger, because it is exactly that, मतलब उसका pattern ही वैसा है. तो yeah, anyways, you could wear something comfortable in your innerwear, for your innerwear, and you'll be good to go for sure. So yeah, I love the dress, man. I really love it. I mean, I just love it. There are more two colors available in it, but I like this one, so I've got this one. So yeah, now let's talk about the next dress, which is the last dress for this video. So as you see, this dress is a bodycon dress, and it's a mini dress, but not too short. Definitely a comfortably short length, I would say. The color, the color is pretty much decent. The fit is decent. I mean, it fits me perfectly, and I was actually skeptical about the bust part, but I I thought in the bust area it would be loose or would not fit me, but oh my god, it fits me perfectly in the bust area. I love the detailing of the diamonds over here on the strand, like on the strap, and I love everything about this dress. And for the price, like, it's just for 909 rupees, which is totally a steal and totally worth the money. So I'm really happy with this, you know, outfit and with this purchase. I totally love it. And if you're someone who's on a looking for a dress that is sexy on a budget and, you know, looks rich as well, doesn't looks cheap, I mean, you know, so then this is the dress. You can see I've paired it up with my, you know, rhinestone hoops, and they look, and this dress and this whole outfit looks amazing. So yeah, to be honest, this is also, actually all of them are my favorite, but this has to be one of my favorites among all of them. Like the blue candy dress is the most favorite, and then actually no, I'm not gonna select because I love all of them. It's just hard not to select one. So yeah, so I love this bodycon dress itself. Wearing this bodycon dress, I really felt confident. I really felt I should work out and, you know, be in my best shape, and I don't know, it looked pretty. And even on curvy girls, because I'm curvy right now, so even on curvy girls, bodycon dresses do look nice. You just have to wear the right lingerie underneath these kind of clothes to look good. That's all. Other than that, you'll be good to go. You could still wear a bodycon dress and rock it. And I really love this dress. This last dress was also an amazing dress, and these were all the dresses. And to be honest, there are so many other dresses available on Urbanic that if you go and stock on their website, like go and stalk, you will literally fall in love with all their pieces, because they have a wide range of variety for dresses, for tops, for all these cute and, you know, cute and trendy clothing pieces they definitely have. So you should definitely check out Urbanic's website. I mean, this is not a paid collaboration, but you guys, you look at all the outfits, the pink dress, the blue dress, the red dress, the, you know, this apricot dress, and the you know, the organza dress, all of them, I just love them, and I can't say anything more. Just go and check out their website and you'll fall in love too. Urbanic was compared with Shein, but to be honest, Shein is nothing, like literally nothing in front of Urbanic. Urbanic's quality is on point, and Shein's quality most of the times was compromised. So I'll never compare Shein with Urbanic. Urbanic is 1,000 times better than Shein. So I'm really happy that there's this brand that is available in India, like a brand like Urbanic, you know. So this is it for my video, you guys. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you are enjoying the Vlogmas series, and I hope you come back on my channel again tomorrow so that you get to see a new episode and a new video of Vlogmas. And I hope now you know where you could find some sexy, some, you know, cute, and some, you know, basically dresses that you could wear to your New Year or your Christmas party. Now you know where you could find them, right? So I hope it was fun watching, as well as it was, you know, helpful, because moreover I wanted this video to be helpful, because I get a lot of questions: where do you buy your dresses from, where should I buy this kind of dress, that kind of dress. So I hope I kind of you know, addressed to all of these questions, because I loved all of these dresses whichever I've worn in this video and mentioned in this video. Like, they're all like my favorite, and kya hi bolu, I've loved wearing them a lot. So yeah, with that said, I'll see you in my next episode and my next video, which will be tomorrow of Vlogmas. Until then, stay safe, take care, and keep binge watching all my Vlogmas videos. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. You know, I just blabber unnecessarily too much, but anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah! Bye bye.